Well, I hope everybody had a good summer and had a discussion with Aaron yesterday on the percentages in our Power Teacher Pro. So I thought I'd put this thing, a little video together, and we can discuss this and see what happens with it. This year, everybody's going to take the end of the semester exam. There is no opting out this year. Last year, I think some of us we had an A in class or whatever. You could opt out of it. And I don't recall, I think we all kind of agreed last year that nobody's going to give a mid-semester exam. So, with that, let's look at the Power School, the grade calculations. So I just pulled mine up from last year. We'll look at the term weighting. And last year, we used a term weighting of 80%. Really, that was for the classwork throughout the semester, and then X4 is the final exam, and that was weighted at 20%. Our category weighting, therefore, we agreed the assessments would be 70% of the typical work during the semester, and then the other 10% would be activities. I call them activities, could be homework, labs, classwork. I think different people had different names for them, which is fine. And so that's how that broke down for the category weighting for the typical work in the classroom. So we didn't do the mid-semester exam, I just left that alone. And then the category weighting for the end of the semester exam was 20%. So there has been some discussion that we change the term weighting, the typical work in the classroom, to 90, and then the final exam percent to 20, or excuse me, to 10. So this would change to 90 and this would be to 10. And then our category weighting would change also. This would be 80 and that would still remain at 10. And then the semester exam, the end of the semester exam, would count for, instead of 20, 10%. So that's kind of the discussion if we want to change that. I know it was brought up that 20% is a pretty big hit for a final exam, especially for the first year, which everybody is taking it. So that's what we're going to need to discuss now. If everybody agrees to change it to 10% for the end of the semester exam, that's fine. If you have some reservations and you'd rather keep it at 20, then we're probably going to have to maybe be best thing to meet next week sometime and discuss this, because we all need to be on the same page with this. So that's something to think about. I think other than that, I think we're pretty good as far as common assessments and everything else, but that's going to be the discussion there. So send me back your thoughts and we'll see where we go with this, and enjoy the rest of the summer.